For those who frequently use air fryers, there is a trade-off between having a larger one that takes up a lot of counter space permanently and or regularly having to retrieve a stored away one whenever you want to use it. Choosing the right air fryer for your needs is getting increasingly difficult because quite frankly, we're spoiled for choice now. A company hoping to possibly take your fancy is COSORI. This is the COSORI Turboblaze air fryer. This air fryer has a larger quart size and comes with 9 different settings. The manufacturer claims it can cook meals up to 46% faster than other air fryers with AC motors and uses 95% less oil. So the question is this affordable fryer worth your attention? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. Now, as you can imagine, the air fryer is pretty much ready from the box. There really isn't any setup to do. When you compare the Turboblaze with other air fryers and similar devices on the market, you'll notice that it has a sleek appearance. Its dark grey and black shell boasts modern curves, which is a significant deviation from the traditional square boxes that one typically associates with these appliances. The Turboblaze is a refreshing sight and a welcome change. It has a height of 301mm, a width of 300 and a depth of 400mm. The basket has a 6-litre cooking capacity, which is plenty for cooking a lot of food at once. This also makes it a great option for those who want a middle ground between a smaller and much larger option. The basket is somewhat roomy and well constructed. Not only that, but we do get a sturdy crisper plate that features ample holes and grills to facilitate air circulation around your food. The handle comes with a locking button located at the top to ensure that it doesn't accidentally open. At the top we'll find our control panel, which is easy to read with clear block capitals and bright white backlighting for somewhat enhanced visibility. There are 9 cooking functions in total, and that's including 4 turbo modes. When you select one of the cooking modes, the device provides a preset time and temperature. The fan speed is neatly displayed below the readout, and if you choose turbo modes, the fan speed will always be at the maximum. However, other options such as bake or dehydrate will adjust the fan speed accordingly. Now, if we look at those cooking functions, we get air fry, roast, bake, proof, reheat, and keep warm. All these functions are essentially preset times and temperature settings. However, if you want to set the time and temperature beyond the preset, it is also easily done. Simply tap the arrows up and down with your fingers to change the time in minute by minute increments, or the temperature in 5-degree steps. The time readout mostly displays in minutes, except for the final minute, where it shows a countdown timer in seconds, which is quite helpful. And to go along with this, there is also an audio feedback when the food is finished. Chicken is a popular food to cook in an air fryer because it consistently comes out delicious. To prepare it, I sprayed some oil, seasoned my chicken with general herbs, and I cooked it in the air fryer at 450°F for about 14 minutes on each side. And to be honest, when I took the chicken out to check the temperature and overall cook, it was pretty much already cooked perfectly. They came out rather juicy and golden brown, and that's really how I like them. Another great food to cook in an air fryer is homemade chips, and the Turboblaze is a great option for cooking them perfectly. Not only are the chips cooked evenly, but they come out crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, which is fantastic. And since most of the recipes you use in this air fryer don't really require much oil, this air fryer could be a healthier alternative. Although this air fryer claims to be 46% faster than other AC motored ones, I couldn't possibly confirm that completely. However, I can't deny this thing is fast. The speed at which it cooks food is pretty impressive, not to mention how even the cook is. The air fryer has one active safety feature: it will automatically turn off when the basket is removed, and additionally the air fryer's exterior doesn't get too hot to touch during use, although you probably still should be cautious. Thankfully, the Turboblaze air fryer is extremely easy to clean. Its air fryer basket and crisper plates are both completely removable and can be washed either in a dishwasher or by hand. All in all, if you're searching for an air fryer that is reasonably priced, cooks really fast, and has great capabilities, then the COSORI Turboblaze could be the perfect choice for you. It not only is sleek and compact, but it has powerful settings that make up for its size. You can surprisingly fit a lot of food in here and the results are pretty good. And what's great about it all is it has short cooking times. So for the asking price, the Turboblaze is set to be a steal. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.